the same color, right? This is Erika 10. This is Aztec 500. I think this one was manufactured in 1960. This one is 1961. Color is exactly same, but different is this area color. They match to the base. This one is a match to the ribbon cover area. Same color, right? This one is like match like this, but little bit lost here. And then the functional difference is this one has the tap function, right? Tap setup, but this one has no tap function, right? That's the one huge difference. And then for the design, this one is a fancy chrome outside the ribbon color choice option, but this one there is no that kind of stuff. Then except that exactly the same, little bit different here because of the tap set button, but this one there is no tap set, so that's why a little bit different. This one the Erika was here, but this one like this, right? This is Erika 10. This is Aztec. That's the difference. And then there is no tap key. So this one has the backspace and tap key. And then in order to open the cover, you should move this one like this. That means unlock this cover. Without this, we can broken the inside the holder. This one, block this one. I mean the lock. So open means see, like this. Without this, then either way, this one bent or this one bent. So be careful. Also, the remove this typewriter from the case base. We need this one also. This push button both side. That means unlock from the base of the case. Case is exactly same, brown, the leather case, exactly same. And then this is the control touchy, right? This one, yeah. Okay. And then the behind, this one has the name Pullman, and then behind we'll see there is a model name. See, the model 10, made in Germany, right? This sign and then this one, but the other one is a different. This one, I mean the Aztec 500. See, the Germany, USSR occupied. So there is no other name for the model. Okay. So design, everything looks like the same, like same color, but 1 year different. This one late version with the tap, without tap. But the typeface is a little different. The upper one, this is from the Erika, right? I'm using the old ribbon, so it's not the clear. But look at the typeface. I think exactly the same, right? But the size is different. One is over, one is Erika is Elite. Aztec is Pika. Except that I think same typeface, right? Dog, yeah. Over, yeah, exactly same. but I guess it looks like Congress Pika, very close, right? But I don't know, just a regular one. Yeah, anyway, so eventually this one is the Erika 500 is a little bit better. Why? Another one, the bottom, there is a cover case like this. See? But the Erika, I don't know, some Erika has the cover, or I don't know. This one has no cover, right? I have another Erika 10, but it was broken. During the fixing, I broken some very important parts. So it's right now in the basement, so I cannot use that one. So maybe part machine. Also, it's very similar with the what is the name of the Optima. It's someone said Optima is from the Olympia, but very similar with the Erika. So next time I will compare that. Anyway, so Erika 10, like this, but it's the same thing, everything, right? It's just like this. So everything same. This one also same, like this, same. The bell is like the same thing, same bell sound. See, exactly same. So I think it was made exactly the same, maybe company. Yes. Just the difference. This logo is the same color, right? Yeah, same color but different place. In the middle, Erika. It's the Aztec in the middle, Erika in the right side. The feeling touchy, I guess it should be same, but the maintenance or the individual stuff, this one is a little bit for me a little bit harder. This one is a little bit softer and better. Yeah, this one feeling better than Erika. So cosmetically also this some like this, but still good. But this one is almost perfect. Just color is a little bit dirty, but it's already I cleaned, but I don't wanna go further because maybe after more clean, the paint maybe color will be changed. So I stop here. So overall, even though from the same company, I guess from the Erika, this one is better than this one, Erika 10. Touch also better, like this detail also better, and then bottom cover, it has bottom cover. So except that exactly same, same painting color, but design is like this one. Design also I like this. This one is better. See, yeah. Next time I'll compare Erika, and then I have another Aztec different color, and then I compare with this and the Optima. Optima is also feeling everything looks like the same. Someone said it's from the Olympia, but I think very close to this style instead of Olympia. So I will do the next time the comparison with that one. All right. Thank you for watching.